I was able to grow and monetize my international TikTok account. So right in this video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your international TikTok account without any stress. So nothing like VPN, nothing like anything. So I'm just going to show you how you can monetize your international TikTok account. But at first, I was rejected. But within 24 hours, I put in work, and I'm going to show you what I did and got accepted before 24 hours, so that when you reach that level, you will know what to do. So it's going to be a tutorial video, step by step guide on everything that you need to know. This is your first time seeing me. My name is Emmanuel. What I do is that I make videos how to make online. What I do is that I try things like, if I find something working for me, I record video and I show you guys what I'm doing so that I can do something and get a lesson with us. So if you're someone that is better in video editing, or you're someone that is better in crypto currency, affiliate marketing, just subscribe and turn on notifications so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to get notified that I've already dropped a video. So you need to watch this video to the very end to understand how everything works. So let's go. So right, if you click the three dots and come right here and click on this creators reward, you can see right here that I have reached the requirement right here. I have reached on 10k followers and 100k views in the last 30 days. But before that, let me show you something that you need to do before you click on this join. So before you click on that join, just come right here and click on this account check. So once you click on this account check, so what this account check does that it check your account to know the videos that goes against TikTok community guidelines. So you can see that it will be checking my account right here to know the videos that goes against. So you can see the ones that are marked good is the ones that are qualified, or the ones that are red right here is the one that goes against the TikTok community guidelines. So if you find something like this in your account, so if you request for TikTok monetization, TikTok will not monetize you. So if you find something like that in your account, I will advise you to private those videos, or what they do them is you are just clearing your account. So I advise that you private them before you start join, before you click on the join. So right here, after that, just come right here and click on this join. So once I click on this join right, it will load right here. You can see right here that I have been monetized. So you can see right here, congratulations, you have joined the creativity program beta. So you can see right here, if I just click on this dashboard, there you see my dashboard right here. So if you find this video helpful, click the plus button to follow me, like and share, and I'll also be showing you how you can do the other things, add payment method and other settings that you need to do. Thank you.